What's coming to name One More Step this evening? One More Step. See that? It's one more step taken by Jamaica's senior reggae girls towards qualifying for the World Cup finals. I mean, I lie. The Maverick is right there on the reggae girls' wagon. That victory over Costa Rica, though, was a big one. The way this qualifying tournament was set up, this particular game was always going to be the equivalent of a cup final. Not to win a trophy, but to give the reggae girls some more bites of the historic World Cup qualifying cherry. All they have to do now is to beat a Cuba team that the last time they played, them get 6. And a Cuba team that has already been eliminated after conceding 20 goals in 2 games, and hope that Canada will play true to form and beat Costa Rica. That would now give the reggae girls a maximum 3 more bites of the cherry. 1 in the semi-final of this tournament against the other group winner, more than likely the USA. And worst case, another bite in the 3rd place playoff. And then another bite if they finish 4th against Argentina from the South American Confed. The girls must can bite off even 1 of those cherries. But you don't know, they still have to take it 1 step at a time. And Cuba is that next step on the reggae girls' march towards history. 1 step at a time. See that? 1 step.